Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Are you okay?
I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. TTS.
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off?
I was so sleepy in class. Okay.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
I'm sorry, sir. I really am.
Oh, my.
1, 2, 3, a winner!
Who'll be jamming now? Away.
Yes, wait.
It all started when one day... Not my turn, don't.
touched a nerve.
I made that Sterling fella a Texas-sized offer.
So,
And you're feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Years. But then one day, the letters started coming in.
flamethrower? What are you talking about? I don't understand. Where were you?
Don't want to make my day.
You're dead. Thunder?
Why aren't you in disguise? Look, there's no time. Go!
Okay.
Kochira, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Pretty new.
Good morning. Huh?
You cannot defeat me. Cannot.
All spectators, clear the starting line.
Man,
I've been dreaming about it my whole life. I'll be the first rookie in history ever to win it.
Fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you? Persistent little bugger for a 2-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Dragon style.
Spinning dragon attack.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
a bad dream.
Doc fixed me up, Flo took me in. No, they all did. And I never left.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.
We did a good job. Well, now, where the...
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah!
¡Tras él!
What?
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get her done!
Race, this might put a hurt today. Like McQueen is dead.
Of course.